We all love challenges, and typically I am the one challenging you guys, but today we're going to reverse those roles because I've been challenged, so this is going to be fun. Hello everyone, it's Maddie with Spectrum Art Creations, and what you see here on my table is the new Little Birdie Artsy Blooms collection. So Little Birdie has sent me 6 beautiful 6x6 pages, the ones that you see here. Of course, this collection is also available in the 12x12, but they've sent me these 6 pages and a pack of flowers, which I'll share with you here shortly, and challenge me to create anything, something. That was a challenge. You have the 6x6 pages, and you have these beautiful flowers. These are the Lolita handcrafted paper flower pack, and they come in different colors as well, but I got yellow, and they are so pretty. Usually I don't do a whole lot with yellow, so I was like, oh my goodness, yes, I am being challenged. Look at the great dimension and texture on these flowers. Beautiful, right? So I can't wait to get my hands now on some other colors, because I saw some pinks and some other colors, so I will definitely be bringing some for myself as well as for our stores. Anyway, again, I was challenged to make something, and of course that is the hard part, when you kind of sit there and go, what to do, right? So now we're switching roles. I'm the one being challenged. So guess what I've decided to make? Well, I looked at it and I thought, okay, they're small pages and I've only got 6. So maybe I can work with this Tim Holtz Accordion Folio. And again, if you've never seen these are great. We have them also in our stores, but it includes your trim, and then it is pre-cut and pre-scored. I did do a few modifications to it, but super fun to craft with, because all you have to do is add your beautiful papers, which in this case, it's going to be the Little Birdie Artsy Blooms. And here is what I have come up with. Take a look. I hope you like it. Super fun, easy to make. I made this in a couple of hours, and the 6x6 papers were perfect. As you can see on the table, I barely have any scraps, and I did create some little tags, or well, not little, bigger tags, and other journaling cards to insert into the pockets. I've created a hidden pocket there at the back. I didn't have enough paper to decorate my accordion, but that's okay, because I will come in and do some fun stuff with it, like photos and pockets, and yeah, all kinds of decorations. We've got some large journaling cards there as well. Another hidden pocket here on this flap. Again, using our whale tail punch as well as our eyelet hole reinforcer on that tag, and then another hidden pocket here on the back for even more photos, decorations, or journaling. So I hope you guys like it. I had a blast being challenged, and I still have plenty of flowers left, and as you can see, I do not have a whole lot of the paper line, just little scraps, but enough to make some decorations, some corners, tucks, as well as maybe, some little banners or pockets, side pockets as well. So I'll enjoy finishing it up. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think down below. And here is another video for you guys to go check out some more inspirations. I'll see you there. Bye.